plus yung 5, meron siyang power of 1. Then yung 8, meron power of 0, or 8 is our constant term. So, ibig sabihin, our answer is 5x squared plus 5x plus 8. Hello guys, welcome to another session of Mathematics 10 class, and for today we will give more examples about synthetic division. Okay, find the quotient and the remainder using the synthetic division. So we have the dividend 5x to the third plus 3x minus 8 divided by, our divisor is x minus 1. So to divide using the synthetic division, una natin gagawin, arrange natin yung dividend into standard form. Nakaayos naman siya. So kagaya nitong dividend na to, so hindi kagaya nung nauna natin example kahapon. So yung 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8, mayroon kulang na isang term, no? In terms of the variable x squared. So pag ganyan, inarrange natin, ginamit natin synthetic. So next is arrange natin siya 5x cubed, na kung saan magdadagdag tayo ng 0x squared para dun sa nawawalang variable na may exponent na square or 2. Kasi kailangan kompleto siya para pagka tayo nag-synthetic division, magkakatapat yung mga numbers natin, no? So hindi tayo maliligaw. Then tsaka pa lang yung plus 3x minus 8. Then kunin natin yung mga numerical coefficient ng ating dividend. We have 5, 0, 3, negative 8. So siya yung ating dividend. Then go ahead. Next, yung divisor naman natin ay x minus 1. Kunin lang natin yung opposite niya. That's minus 1, positive 1. So siya yung ating x. Value ng x. Pag in-equate natin yan sa 0, so lipat sa kabila, we will have positive 1. So x is equal to 1. Next. So bring down 5. Then yung 5, multiply natin sa 1. 5 times 1, 5. Then add. Add natin. 0 plus 5, 5. Then 5 times 1, we have 5. So 5 times 1, sagot 5. Then add ulit. 3 plus 5, 8. Then repeat natin yung step kanina. 8 times 1 equals 8. Then add ulit. So last number is 0. So yung 0 na yon, last number. So again, that is our remainder. So since 0 yung ating remainder, ibig sabihin wala, no? So ibig sabihin yan, yung ating x minus 1 ay factor ng ating 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8. So ano ngayon yung sagot natin? So ito ngayon, yung 5, 5, 8 na to, ito yung numerical coefficient ng ating quotient. Okay. So dahil ang ating dividend ay may power of 3, so bawasan lang natin ng isa yon. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Ibig sabihin yung 5x, mayroon siyang power of 2, plus yung 5, meron siyang power of 1, then yung 8, meron power of 0, or 8 is our constant term. So ibig sabihin, our answer is 5x squared plus 5x plus 8. That is our final answer. Ganun lang kung paano mag-synthetic division. Kapag mayroong missing term in terms of the variable x, so mag-add tayo ng 0.